Brilliant. Thank you. So as part of the Two People Act, the second part is more about technology. And so it's sometimes understated when you say you run close to $500 billion of retail without technology. So I mean, technology is actually the underpinning, or it's pretty much everything that runs it. The sheer size, the scale of everything, knowing what needs to go where, what needs to go when, how much of what you need to order, etc., is entirely driven on technology. A very significant part of that technology stack, especially the cutting edge parts, work out of the Walmart technology groups directly. These are employees who are working on it because that's something that we want to control, own, do it ourselves, invent it, IP, patent it. It's that entire 9-yard stack, and that's distributed along a bunch of key core areas where we work. Benton Markets, I was already mentioned, which is our corporate headquarters, San Francisco, the Bay Area, the Silicon Valley, where our .com is kind of headquartered, and Bangalore, which is the key single largest global center outside of the two motherships, if you may. And over here, what we do is central, again, to everything that we work. So it isn't a case of we tell you what to do. It's a case of shared responsibility with some ownership line here. Just to drive that point home, if you log into Walmart.com, this is one of the, and you may not know Walmart with e-commerce as much as potentially you should. It's one of the world's second or third largest e-commerce sites. The login actually runs through code written over here by people in Bangalore. When the profile that's associated with the account gets attached to you, it's written by people who are actually in the room here today with us, who are ex-IITBAA alumni, computer science graduates who've done fantastic work. And now you're dealing with accounts which are not 2 million. It's 150 and growing to 200 million different users, and all the various accounts, and that whole thing is mined, kept, consistent and secure by people sitting here in the room. So that's the kind of technology stack that gets built out, and I'm only skimming through the surface. There are other people in the room who kind of help build out some of the best supply chain software ever. Sterling, if you've heard of it, they were part of the founder group of that. They're now in Walmart Labs, and obviously we kind of tweak it, push it beyond its limits because it's never built for the kind of scale and complexity that is being used for over here. So those are the kind of stacks that we work on. Our booth is going to be here where we can answer questions and take your interactive discussions, because the fun is, in fact, just yesterday I was in Hyderabad as part of the Data Sciences and Analytics Conference that NASSCOM runs annually. And somebody walked up to me and said, oh, by the way, what technology do you use in Walmart? And I almost wanted to say, go look up in Wikipedia, find everything that you can and tick them off, because the sheer size of the company, whatever you ask for, there will be some version of it running with us. But how do you put them all together consistently and in a way that you don't see about in the press for a good reason? Walmart went down for 4 hours yesterday, right? And it's because of incredible efforts that people put together here. A brilliant, dedicated team. And so come talk to us, and we'd love to talk to you. Thank you.